Hey people, it's me, Kira. Hi, hello, hi. So today in this video I am going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup glam tutorial. Got a different setup today. I have got a ring light for Christmas and filming on my phone because my camera is broke again. So I've sent that to Canon to hopefully get fixed, and I also got a microphone for Christmas as well, but I can't use that because it can only be used with my camera. But yeah, I hope you guys all had a lovely Christmas and here's to 2019. And I'm also not used to filming with a ring light, so if I do look like I'm being blinded, it's because I am. So I'm going to start with my favourite primer, which is the Stila One Step Colour Correcting Primer. Not much to say about it other than I love it. So I'm just going to do my foundation, which today I'm going to be using the NARS Sheer Glow. This is what it looks like. The shade I use, if you're wondering, is medium 1 Punch Up? I don't really know. I'm just going to put some at the back of my hand and blend it in with my dampened beauty blender. Okay, now I've blended all that in, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Probably do my makeup routine in like a really weird order, but I just like to have the base done and then I'll do concealer because obviously I do carve out my eyebrows. And then to carve out my brows, I'm going to be using the usual Fit Me concealer, and to conceal the rest of my face, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer / contour, because if you get this in a darker shade, you can use it as contour, which I do have. Now we're going to move on to eyes. Now this is going to take a long time. So for Christmas I got the Morphe 35B Colour Burst eyeshadow palette with 35 shades, and this is what it looks like. Very, very, very bright colours. So they do come with names, so I will be using the names. So for the first shade we're going to be taking this luminous orange called Puffs, which is this one down here. So what I'm going to do with this shade is taking it on my brush, and this is going to be soaping wet, oh my god. And we're going to take that on, on the eye, and we're going to buff it out, blend it out, go right out to the edges, and kind of just put this all over the lid for our base shade. So as you can see, it's very orange. I've literally just done the whole lid in orange and gone out. So now I'm going to take a slightly smaller brush, the Revolution 201 to be precise, and we're going to take the yellow called Sunshine, which is this one down here. And with very soft, light to the skin motions, we're just going to take this over the top of the eyeshadow and just kind of blend it in. This is going to be one of those looks that looks atrocious until the very last step, which is lashes. So don't, like, if you're recreating this look, don't be afraid that it doesn't look right or very nice. Literally just keep on going until the end, because you'll soon realise you made the right decision, and you're doing it right, don't worry. Taking the brush that we used to do the orange, I'm going to taking this dark purple here, which is called Purplish, which is this one here. And we're literally going to put in the outer V and along the crease. Very slow motions. So what I'm going to do now is add a bit of concealer to this look. This is going to help make the next colour look a lot more pigmented. So yeah, so the next colour is going to go on the outer bit here and on the inner, and just going to blend that with a brush. So as you can see, it looks a little messy, but when we put on the next colour, it will soon go to plan. So the next colour is this dark blue called Denim. This colour here. And that's just going to go where we put the concealer. Now I'm going to cut the crease, the lid. I'm going to be doing a spotlight cut, so I'm just going to be going in the centre. So basically where we didn't put any of that blue colour. Now to set the sides of where we have cut the lid, we're going to be taking more of a flat-headed brush, and I'm going to take another blue shade which is called Azura, and that is this one here, which is also a shimmery shade, which is very nice. I'm just going to put that on those outsides. And now the look is finally starting to come together. We're going to be taking the Collection Glam Crystals liquid eyeshadow in the colour Aura 1. And for under eye, I'm just going to smoke it out with this really dark blue colour here, which is called Denim. I'm going to use this one? I don't even know. And now to see the look finally come together, we're going to be adding lashes. I'm going to be using the Doodoo lashes in the number 308. I actually ordered some more after I received my free ones that they sent to me because I love them so much, honestly. Get them. And you can use the code officialKiraLambert for 5% off. The glue is my usual glue, just the Duo Lash Glue. And just going to put that along here. Okay, my lash glue literally just exploded all over my lashes. Whew, made it. Right, that took forever. Now on to just finishing the skin and then we're done. So for my bronzer, they're huge. I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate bronzer. I did get a new bronzer for Christmas, but I'm not using that today. So I'm just gonna bronze up sides of the faces and use it as a bit of contour as well. Highlighter time. Literally need to glow like the sun, or glow like the ring light in front of me. Oh, this is the Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. And time for lips. Because we don't want to take the attention off of the eyes, I thought to go with a nude colour would kind of help. So a new thing that I got for Christmas is the Anastasia liquid lip. This is just called Naked, which is a nude shade. And we're just gonna peel off. That worked. But just look at that packaging with the silver, the gold, the infinity signs. So nice, and such a nice colour too. So yeah, that's the lipstick done. And it's such a nice nude colour, I absolutely love it. This is the final look. I'm really impressed with it, not gonna lie. I think this is the craziest, well, it's not crazy, but like the most bold look I've actually done so far on YouTube. But I am looking forward to doing so many more exciting looks because I really want to get more like artsy with eyeshadow. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys had a nice Christmas. I hope you guys have a happy new year, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and press the notification bell so you guys know when I next post. I try to post on the weekends and on Wednesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.